How to create an ebook using Canva. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create your simple little ebook with Canva. So let's get into it. Now, the first thing that you're going to do to create a professional looking ebook in Canva is that you're going to just log on to your Canva account, and from here, you're just going to go into your search bar and you're just going to search for magazine. So you can go with a custom kind of look if you want, but you can just search for magazine cover over here. And once you search for magazine cover, it's going to give you so many different gorgeous looking templates like these for you to get started with. So to create a very professional looking ebook, I do recommend that you just take one of these little magazine templates and then you can begin designing it as your own. So most of these magazine templates have more than one pages, so they have over like 5 pages. So you can just take one of these templates and use them as your basic layout for your own ebook. And this is totally legal. You don't have to worry about any copyright or anything like that. This is totally a legitimate way to design your own ebook, and it's going to look a lot more professional than what you would normally design without any kind of basic template. So let's say I want to create like a recipe book, and you can see over here there's even like this simple little template for a food magazine article or something along those lines, or you can go with this or any kind of other template that you want. You're going to replace the internal content anyways. So if I keep on searching over here, I really do like this template as well. So I'm just going to open this template up, and you can see over here that my template is loading. So you can see over here, this is my basic little template, and it's a very cute little template. Now, what you're going to do to start creating your own ebook is that you're just going to take your little pages. So this is the first page, and the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to select the text, and I'm going to rename it to recipe book, like this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to increase this like so. So I'm going to increase the text box, and then I'm going to reduce the size of the text just so it fits a bit better on my canvas like this. Now I'm going to place it like so on the center, and once I do that, I'm going to delete the bottom image over here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the element section over here on the left side, and on your left side you're going to find your element section. You're just going to click on the element section. You're going to search for whatever you are creating your ebook on, or if you have your own images, you can click on uploads and upload the media. But I'm just going to go into the element section, and I'm just going to search for food because I'm creating a recipe book as a example. So you can see there are a bunch of graphics, photos, videos you can choose from. I'm going to go into the photos section, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pick out a cute little image. So what I'm going to do, once your image is picked out, you're just going to drag the image onto this grid canvas over here. If you don't have this loaded on your template, you can load up the grid as well. This was already present in the template, so I'm going to go with it as it is, and I'm going to place the text like so. And I'm going to click on the text. I'm going to click on these 3 dots, or I'm going to click on effects, and maybe do I want a lifted effect? No, I think I'm gonna go with a simple look. The hollow look, I don't know. Let me consider. Yeah, I think I'm gonna make it hollow. So you can obviously customize the template as you go. You can remove this top text as well. Instead, I'm gonna write it by Jane, recipe book by Jane. And then on the bottom, these are like some design elements. I'm gonna leave them as is. So these are some design elements over here, but I'm going to leave them as is. So this is going to serve as the cover page for my recipe book, and these are some design elements over here. I'm going to leave them as is, and this is going to be the cover page of my ebook. So after that, I have this contents page on the template as well. So over here, you're obviously going to replace these with whatever your actual text is. So let's say it is chapter 1, and then chapter 2, so on and so forth. I'm just going to type that in. Misspelled chapter, but that's all right. We can go ahead and replace that later. Now after that, obviously you're going to add your actual table of content. So you're going to add your actual index, whatever it might be, if your ebook is in chapters, if it's in pages, if it's in however you have segmented your book, you're going to add your actual data over here. And then we have this content styled like this. I like the style, so I'm going to keep it as it is. And I'm just going to take this image and I'm going to delete this image as well. And I'm going to go back into my elements section and I'm just going to add another food image. So I'm just going to keep on looking for a gorgeous little image to add on to my contents over here. So I'm going to add this. I don't think this is fitting pretty well. So I'm going to remove the image and I'm going to replace the grid like so. And I'm going to look for some more images, something that fits. This I think would look good. So I'm going to place this over here. And yeah, this looks pretty good. So I have the second page of my ebook ready. And you can see how professional this looks. This is why I recommend to most people that they should go forth with a template instead of starting from scratch, because when you're customizing a template, you have a basic layout present, and the layouts that are present have been tested. They have been designed by great people that understand how aesthetics work, and this can really help someone that is a beginner. But obviously, after you have created a few ebooks, you're going to understand how to create your own designs as well, so you can do that as well. So let's say after my contents, I have chapter 1, and then after that what I'm going to do is I'm going to do Command C and then Command V. I'm going to place this right below and I'm going to write the basics of cooking like this, the basics of cooking, and I'm going to delete the image and I'm just going to add some other image. So I'm going to look for like food ingredients or something along those lines to add over here. So I'm just going to keep on looking to find a cute wholesome image. I think this one looks pretty good. So I've added this image over here and I'm just going to resize this grid like so, and I think it looks pretty good. And just like that, you're going to add your own text accordingly. I don't have actual text, so I'm leaving the basic text over here. I'm just showing you guys how to change the layout, and after that I'm just going to replace these images as well. And then you're just gonna delete whatever this is. Let's say I'm going to write steak, and then I could write the actual recipe. And now I'm just gonna search in the element section for steak. So I'm just gonna search for steak over here. I'm gonna go in the photos section and I'm just going to use some photos of some steak. So this looks like a pretty good image, and I'm just gonna go into the magic recommendations. I'm gonna click on see all, and then I'm just gonna use a similar image. Oh, not this one. This doesn't look pretty similar. This one, like this. So just like that, I've added these two images, and you can go on so forth and create more pages. You can just click on duplicate page over here, and then you can replace the text and replace the images according to your ebook. And this is how simple and easy it is to create your ebook. After that, you're just going to click on download over here, and then you can download this as a PDF, PDF standard or PDF print if you want it to be high quality. And then you're just going to click on download over here and your ebook is ready to go. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more content like this. And if you have any questions, make sure to leave them in the comment section down below and I will try to answer them as soon as possible. And I will catch you guys in the next video.